Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing Candy Pod's True Wireless Earbuds. Let's go ahead and show you what you get inside the pack here. So you get a little card manual inside here. This is it. So actually, it's very small, fits in your hand. Peel this off. Oh, that is a cool design. Let's show you guys up close. Look at that. It's like 3D lines built inside it. That's not on the outside, so on the outside it's nice and smooth. Take a look how they look. So you got left and right. Pull it out. Simple design. Place it back down in. This is how you charge the case. So let's go ahead. Normally they supply, yep, and here's the charging cable. So that's the charging cable. You just put this right in like that, and then this gets plugged into any USB outlet. If you're hiking or on the go, you can use a power bank to charge the case. So there's going to be a green light as it's charging. That probably shows it's yeah, so I can see that both of them being charged. So we're going to let it charge for a little bit, and then we're going to test it out the quality. Alright guys, so I actually went for a walk quick because I wanted to fully test these out. So as you guys can see, that's how they look. You can position them, you know, a little differently, depends on how you want. But yeah, I tested them out. They work great. They connected. Overall, they work good. I would say that for the price point that they're at, it's fair. Everything's fair. Overall, I am happy with them. They're not too bulky. Some of them are really bulky. After a little while, they did feel a little tight in my ear, but that could just be me. But overall, I like them. I'm happy with them. And the bass was good. The treb's good. They do have a little trouble staying in. You kind of got to push them in pretty hard for them to stay in. They do, like when you're jogging, they kind of want to come out until you push them in. So make sure you just push them in nice and tightly. And you do that and you should be fine. But overall, yeah, they work good as far as, you know, for the price point, they work good.